Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to disable age restriction in YouTube. How do you fix it? To do that, you click on your account, and you click on Settings. Then you click on General. Open it up and click on Restricted Mode. It's going to be on. You turn it off, and all restrictions from your YouTube account are immediately removed. Now you can watch any video you want. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There's nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.